Hello all, welcome back. This is Ramprasad Doraisamy. So today we are into day 26 of 50-day Dataverse or Microsoft Dynamics CRM JavaScript challenge. And in day 26 we are going to see about the ODATA queries for Microsoft Dynamics CRM data manipulation. So ODATA query is nothing but how we are doing for the create operation and how we have done for the update operation and how we have done for the delete operation. So that is as simple as that, like for the data operation, the OData operation that we are just directly go to the REST builder and we are doing that operation. So I'll just quickly go to the XRM toolbox to show you how we have done it. So if I want to do the create operation, I can just directly go to create and I can perform that operation. If I want to do an update operation, I can just select the update operation and perform this operation. So here is what the OData query looks like. That's it here. So nothing major because that we have already seen covered in the next what can I say, the previous videos. Now coming to the next video, which is nothing but of fetch XML queries via JavaScript in MSCRM. So to begin with, so first what you need to do is, let me just show you how to download that fetch XML. You just click on the settings. I'll go to the advanced settings. So once the advanced settings gets loaded, click on the advanced find here. So here you need to mention which table you are going to download or which table you are going to retrieve the record here. So for today's demo, I'm just going to use account table to retrieve multiple records from the account side. So let's wait for, okay. So I'll just select for account. So if I just click on result, so what it will do, it will just retrieve all the records which is related to that account and it will return it here, irrespective of conditions. So I'll just simply say download fetch XML. I'll just open the fetch XML to show you. So this is how the fetch XML looks like. So I have already written the code against this one. Let me just show you how that code looks like. I'll go to the Visual Studio. So here you can just fetch entity of account, account ID and name. For fetch XML, what we need to do is we need to encode that URI component of fetch XML, and we need to say it is a fetch XML because OData code is different, fetch XML code is different. So for that we are just mentioning the fetch XML here, and we are going to retrieve the multiple records. The logical name is account because here you can able to see the entity name as account. So I'm just using that entity name and fetch XML request. So this is the request of the formatter request which is that. So we are just going to use it here and we are going to get the result here. That's it. So this is a one way of retrieve using a retrieve multiple to fetch the data. I'll quickly show another way of retrieving the fetch XML as well. So I'll just go here. I'll just say retrieve multiple. Here you can just add multiple columns like name, I'll say equals test. The same way I can add boolean field equals some value. That's it. So I'll just say xrm.web So what it will do? So the same retrieve multiple records. So whatever which you are using, the same retrieve multiple records only we are using, and the logical name as well. The filter whatever we are just using here. So here we are just using a day name as text and Bosch boolean name as false. So based on this response, it will get the response and it will return the response here. So here, as I said, it's a multiple value, so we are using the for loop to get that one. The same way here also you can able to see we are using the for loop to get the response over here. That's it. So this is how you can simply use the fetch XML or the OData query to retrieve multiple. So there are two ways you can use, either use a fetch XML or you can either use the OData query for the retrieve multiple operation. Now I'll just quickly finish the other part as well, which is nothing but handling record ownership changes programmatically. So what is this one is, which is nothing but an update operation. How you will do an update operation for an lookup or an account. So if you go to the CRM system, you are having an option called assign. So if I say assign, if I say assign to me, this record automatically assigned to me. Or else if I say user or team, I can assign this record to a user or a team. The same way, for example, I'll copy this GUID of the record. I'll say primary key is this one. So I'm going to update the owner ID. While updating the owner ID, either you need to update to team or you can update to a user. So for example, I'll mention it as a team. So team also you can just directly get it from the team value. So for example, if I go to this one, Here you can able to see teams available. I'll just click on teams. You can see the teams with the GUID is available. You can directly take the team ID and you can populate it in the what can I say, this value, and that you can easily get it out. So for example, this is there are a lot of teams available. You can just open this team. So here you can able to see the team ID is there. So just copy this team ID and paste it here. So if I just say XML.web API, so here record which is of the owner ID which is which is going to update with the teams with this GUID. The same way, if suppose you want to update to a user, which is a team is nothing but a collection of users will be there. If you want to update to a user with that record, so if you go to web API, so the same record, but here instead of team, the logical name will be system users. So either you can use this in button, or you can use in the onload, or you can use it in the unsave operation. That depends on our requirement. Hope you like this video. Please drop me a comment if you have any queries and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.